I came on here today to tell you guys there is no such thing as the perfect homeschool. Let me tell you, as you guys know, yesterday I spent all day with my daughter cleaning our travel trailer, and then I woke up around 5 a.m. when my husband went to work, and now I'm totally exhausted and the kids still have to do their homeschool. So what we're doing is we have Abby doing some of her homeschool work there on her computer, and then I have Ava doing some of her homeschool work here on my bed right there on her phone. I say all that to say when we're homeschooling, sometimes things come up. We're not feeling well, our kids aren't feeling well. Some of you and I have had family emergencies where we can't homeschool like we want to. The point is that we're looking for progress, right? Not perfection, and that we just get it done however we can. So don't put unnecessary pressure on yourself trying to have this perfect homeschool, because it doesn't exist. We live in an imperfect world and things are constantly happening. So I say this because I know some of you get discouraged when you feel like you're not doing enough because you guys had a rough week. Some of you are homeschooling with children who spend a lot of time in hospitals, and you're feeling like, oh my gosh, we're falling behind. Don't put that kind of pressure on yourself. Adjust as necessary. Like I said, right now, I'm still in bed because I'm tired. I'm about to take a nap. I'm really about to take a nap because I'm that exhausted. I went to sleep late, woke up at 5, and I did a lot cleaning this whole thing, the whole trailer yesterday. And so let me tell you guys, 2 years ago, I had my mother and my nephew in the hospital about 5 minutes away from each other. One was in my nephew was in Children's Hospital. My mother was in a regular hospital down the street. It was literally one of the most stressful times of my life. But I say that to say, even though I was going through a lot at that time, I was still calling my daughter, FaceTiming her, and homeschooling over the phone. So I really wanted to make this video to tell you guys, despite what you may be going through, you can do it. It's okay to adjust. It's okay to not have this picture perfect homeschool. As long as your kids are learning and thriving, everything will be just fine. Keep doing your best. Well, I'm about to go take a nap. I hope you guys are enjoying your day, and I'll see you in the next one.